Now that we know what is cup and handle, let's walk through the trading rules of the cup and handle trading strategy that can set you apart from the rest of the crowd. Obviously, the cup and handle pattern can produce the best profits on the daily time frame. The pattern can be traded on the lower time frames as well. Step number 1, identify an uptrend and a rounded retracement into that uptrend, the cup. We're breaking down the cup and handle trading strategy into several steps. The first step is to identify an uptrend and a rounded retracement into that bullish trend. That rounded bottom is the first component of the cup and handle pattern. The strength and the longevity of the prevailing trend is important as it will determine the success of the trade. How deep the rounded bottom goes will also influence our potential profit. So far, so good. Now we move to the second component of the cup and handle pattern. And the second step of the cup and handle trading strategy. Step number 2, draw the second component of the cup and handle pattern, the handle. You can start drawing the handle once the cup component is finished. Now, the cup component doesn't necessarily need to end exactly at the same price where it started. But it needs to be near that price zone, or price target. Once you see the price moving away from the cup in a tight range, you can start looking to draw the handle. Next, we need to figure out an entry technique. Which brings us to the next step of the cup and handle trading strategy. Step number 3, entry 1 at the handle breakout and entry 2 at the first cup peak breakout. We're going to implement an unorthodox entry method and split our trade into 2 trades as follows. First, buy entry on the handle breakout, the upper line, resistance. That defines the handle structure as our trigger line of the first buy order. Second, buy entry on the breakout of the initial peak from where we started drawing the cup. The next logical thing we need to establish for the cup and handle trading strategy is where to take profits. Step number 4, take profit equals the same distance in price as measured from the initial cup peak to the bottom of the cup. The ideal profit target for the cup and handle trading strategy would be equal to the same distance in price as measured from the initial cup peak to the bottom of the cup. The cup and handle pattern target maximizes the potential profit and it gives us the chance to capture the entire trend. You are simply projecting the same distance in price to the upside using as a starting point the initial cup peak. The next important thing we need to establish is where to place your protective stop loss. Step number 5, place initial SL below the rounded bottom. After the second entry is triggered, move both SL below the handle swing low. Since we're splitting our trade into 2 trades, we're going to have 2 protective stop loss. The initial stop loss is placed just below the round bottom. Since at this stage the cup and handle pattern is not yet confirmed, we need to give it more space. That's why we've chosen to place the SL below the round bottom. When we enter our second buy order, we can now safely move the SL for both positions below the handle swing low. Note the above was an example of a buy trade. Use the same rules, but in reverse, for a sell trade, but this time we're going to use the inverted cup and handle pattern. In the figure, you can see an actual sell trade example, using the cup and handle pattern. Once you learn what is cup and handle pattern, you have no more excuses not to have a chance to succeed in trading. In the technical analysis field, the cup and handle pattern is one of the most profitable chart patterns. The cup and handle trading strategy is providing you with an effective way to exploit this pattern. We always recommend you to backtest first the pattern and trade it a few times on a demo, until you're comfortable and have a good understanding of what is cup and handle pattern. We hope that the cup and handle pattern examples provided throughout this video will improve your ability to spot this powerful pattern when trading real funds. Make sure you also don't miss our amazing triple top chart pattern trading strategy, which is the ultimate reversal trading strategy that you can have in your trading arsenal. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions about this strategy. Also, please give this strategy a 1 like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.